How do we add guards and neighbors? Once we log into the app as administrators, we need to go to the drop-down menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, we press the button. Access codes are listed under the street list. Next, we'll be able to see the code that needs to be provided to neighbors, residents, and guards so they can be part of our community in the app. As an administrator, you'll receive notifications when a neighbor or guard tries to access our community, which will show up as a new registration request. You can also see these notifications by pressing the bell icon located in the lower right corner. Next, we access the user list section in the main menu. We can get to this list from the drop-down menu located in the upper left corner, labeled User List. At the bottom of the screen, we'll see three options: Active Users Requests and Inactive Users. When we look at the neighbor screen, we'll notice that if the user is inactive, the main menu functions will appear disabled, preventing their access. Going back to the admin screen and accessing the user list again, in the Request tab, we can activate the user by pressing their name. We need to verify that their address or level information is complete. This will make it easier for the Treasury administrators to detect delinquents and manage automatic payments. As administrators, we validate that the user's address shows the correct information. If necessary, we can change the user type among three options: guard, neighbor, and administrator. In this case, we select the neighbor role and press Assign Role. Then, we can activate or deactivate the user. In this case, we activate it by pressing the Active button. A prompt will show up asking us if we're sure we want to change the status. We press Yes to confirm. Options to activate or deactivate control access to detect delinquents or generate invitations. Deactivating a neighbor can be useful if they haven't paid their maintenance fees. Activated users appear in the list. Deactivating a neighbor can be helpful if they have defaulted on their maintenance payment, although they will still be part of our community. Once we've activated the user, they should show up in the active list. To permanently remove a user, we press their name in the Active or Inactive tab, depending on the case. Then, we press the button, Remove from this residential area. A prompt will appear asking us if we're sure we want to take this action. By following these steps, the user will be able to belong to our residential complex. The same process is used to register the guards in our neighborhood. And with this, it will be more than enough to add guards and neighbors to our residential community.